Good morning, students. Today we are going for the chapter 2 in economics for class 10th B. The topic is sectors of the Indian economy. You know that India is divided in three sectors. First is primary or primary economic activities. Second is secondary sector, which is secondary economic activities, and the third is tertiary sector, which is known as tertiary economic activities. Primary economic activities, generally these activities are related to land and water. For an example, fishing, farming, mining, hunting, animal husbandry, forestry, quarrying are examples of such activities. Primary activities play an important role for the manufacturing industries because production in the primary activities, these are the important for the secondary activities as in form of raw material, like production of the jute and the production of jute only in the primary activities, but jute is the raw material for the jute industry. In the primary sector, the goods are produced by exploiting economic natural resources, and nature has a vital role to play in growing crops. Some crops, for example, these are wheat, rice, vegetables, milk, iron, coal, etc. For the example of primary activities. Secondary activities, that is known as secondary economic activities. This includes economic activities like manufacturing, construction, electricity, gas, water supply, and when primary goods are used to produce some other commodity, then the activity is known as secondary activity. For example, paper from the woods, bread from the wheat, and cloths from the cotton, sugar from the sugarcane. So these are the showing how the secondary industry depend on the primary industry. You have to be seen in this industries. There is the production of the cotton by the labor. So cotton is the raw material, and cotton producing only in growing in the agricultural activities or primary activities, but it is the source of raw material for the cotton industry. Third is the tertiary sector, and generally tertiary sector, which is involved, or it is also known as the service sector. You have to be seen, this is the picture of Union Bank of India, and banks generally provide you the services. Bank given you ATM card, when bank given you checkbook and passbook, that's you have to be used and take the benefit. Now here, for example, to produce sugar we need sugar cane, so we use transport to carry sugar cane from the field to factory. The activities like trade, transport, communication, banking, insurance, real estate, business, public administration, foreign trade are the such example of tertiary sector. Tertiary sector does not produce goods but also provide the services. For an example, like doctors, teachers, engineer, and barbers, they are provide you services. This is the chart which is showing you primary sector, agricultural activities, secondary sector, manufacturing or industrial activities, tertiary sector, transport, communication and banking activities. Yes, these are the industries which are interdependence of each other. For an example, farmer produce the some if fruits, vegetables, and these fruits and vegetables through the transportation, and they were going to the markets. Now if the transport system going on strike, then these milk, vegetables and the food production, because these are the perishable goods and they are destroyed. So it means uh, primary sectors is also need to the service sectors. Now, final goods and the intermediate goods. Generally, final goods means whatever the production done for the consumer, like the example of biscuit. So, biscuit is the final goods for the consumer. Now, what the material need for the make the biscuit, that is known as intermediate goods. Like here, raw materials. Generally, when we are talking about the raw materials, so you know that like flour, milk, here sugar, salt, these are the intermediate goods for the biscuit. Now intermediate means whatever the raw material for the final goods, that is the intermediate goods. Yes, GDP and the GNP. You know that GDP means three of the sector they are producing for the final goods, and what the final goods are in a year, that is showing you GDP. GNP, that is dependable on the net income, either come from the country or others from the countries. For an example, these there are the two sector classification between them, how these sectors are going for the production. Like we take the year wise, here you have to be seen year primary and secondary and tertiary sector, these sectors are there, and what the total production final production is showing there. So it means like primary sector 59.2, and now secondary 13.3, tertiary 27.5%. So it means our total 100. So these are the things showing what the production done in the primary and secondary and tertiary. It means that is showing the India got the highest 59.2% from GDP from the agriculture sector. Now you have to be seen some of the things are there in this chart. Now how the government get the income and what the shares of the different sector, like agriculture sector, mining, manufacturing, electricity, construction, trade, hotels, transport, communication, and total net domestic production, whatever the done from this of the production. Yes, that is the question. What is service sector and why we need the service sector? Generally, development is dependable on the service sector. For an example, yes, India is the agricultural country. Now, India is a democratic country. But if you want to be India become a developed or India become a developed country, then there is increase the services, and services like energy, power, transport, telecommunication, road, ports, water supply, marketing, banking, insurance, technical training for proper functioning. Without energy like electricity and power, industrial production is not possible. India need to raise the service sector, and generally banking insurance facility cannot be provided without means of communication. We need to grow the service sector in the field of power, energy, transport, communication, banking, insurance, marketing, educational institute, hospital, and many of the things are there.